Why is heat treatment of steel metal crucial? Heat treating is a group of industrial, thermal and metalworking processes used to alter the physical and sometimes chemical properties of a material. The answer to this question would be, it is important to get the desired property, the change in electrical and magnetic properties, and relieving of stress after hot or cold working. And that's why heat treatment of steel metal is very crucial. What is the role of nitrogen in welding? Welding is a fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused together by means of heat pressure or both, forming a joint as soon as the part cools. So the answer to this question would be, nitrogen is used to prevent porosity in the welding member by preventing oxygen and air from entering the molten metal during the welding process. Other gases are also used for this purpose, such as argon, helium, carbon dioxide. How does iron ore turn into steel? Steel is an alloy of iron with typically a few percent of carbon to improve its strength and fracture resistance as compared that to iron. Many other elements may be present or added. The answer to this question would be, iron ore is refined into iron and the carbon is burned away using very high heat. A percentage of carbon and other trace elements are added back to make steel.